Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make nourishing rice oil for hair growth and shine. So stay tuned, relax, and I'll be right back to give you all the details.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Rita. I love sharing simple and effective natural DIY recipe for hair care and beauty. So let's get started. Before that, let me tell you more about this rice oil. Rice oil is packed with amino acids, vitamins and antioxidants that help strengthen the hair, reduces breakage and stimulates hair growth. It is also amazing for adding a natural shine and softness to your hair. You can use this oil for scalp massages, hot oil treatments, or even a sealing moisture after washing your hair. So let's get started with the recipe. I started out by measuring a half cup of rice, which you can see me washing thoroughly in the video. I wash this about 4 to 5 times until the water is clean like this. So after washing, I transferred the rice to a plate and allowed it to air dry completely. Drying the rice is important so that no water mixes with the oil during heating. Once the rice was dry, I poured it into a clean saucepan. Then I added a quarter cup of coconut oil and half cup of sunflower oil. Coconut oil is well known for deeply nourishing the scalp and strengthening the hair strands, while sunflower oil is lightweight and adds softness and shine without weighing the hair down. I turn the heat to low and gently stir the mixture for about 3 minutes. This helps the rice to infuse into the oil without burning. Make sure you keep the heat low and stir occasionally because we don't want the rice to burn or the oil to lose its nutrients. After 3 minutes, I turned off the heat and allowed the oil to cool completely. As you can see, I was still stirring it. I just want the rice to infuse more. That's why I was stirring it. But anyways, you can skip this process if you don't want to do it. Just allow the oil to cool down on its own completely. Once cooled, I strained the mixture to separate the oil from the rice and poured it into a clean jar or cup. That is where I transferred my into. This oil can last for a few weeks if stored in a cool, dry place. You can use it 2 to 3 times a week by massaging it into your scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes to boost blood circulation and stimulate hair growth. You can also apply it along the length of your hair to help seal in moisture and protect your hair from breakage. And if you're on a natural hair journey or just looking for ways to boost your hair growth and thickness, rice oil is an amazing addition to your routine. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it was for you in the comments below. So now that my oil is ready, I added few other things in it just to help boost the effect of the oil. So I'm going to be adding few drops of lavender oil, and then I love the smell of this lavender. So when you're applying it in your hair, you don't feel like it doesn't smell ugly. It smells nice and sweet. So I also added 2 tablespoons of castor oil into it. This castor oil is one of my to-go oil. I love castor oil. I love the thickness. I love the fact that it helps to stimulate hair growth. So I added it into it. So that's it, guys. My hair growth oil is my rice oil, not just hair growth oil. My rice oil is ready to be used. So guys, if you've watched this video up to this moment, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more natural DIY hair care recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I said we got a problem. It's just a movie on